Welcome to Hoffmann Machine Company. This video shows the MS-35-SF double miter saw and combination routing machine with special features like barcode reader, automatic positioning control of the fence stop, workpiece support, automatic routing positioning and automatic routing depth adjustments. This is the main machine. And as you see here, this is the machine controls with a touch panel for the parameter input. Setup button, automatic button to switch from production mode to setup mode. The machine hood that covers the saw blade and the internal processing units. This is the chute for the work pieces, for the restovers. As you can see here, this is the clamps on the right hand side and the clamps on the left hand side. Going to the right of the machine, we see here the barcode reader gun. The automatic fence on the right hand side with automatic stop positioning and emergency stop right here. Machine from the right hand side with a control box attached to the machine. We're approaching the material support on the left hand side of the machine. This material support length as well as the fence length can be adapted in its length for the specific customer needs of profile lengths. This is valve switches to select different clamping cylinders simultaneously on the right and on the left hand side. There is 4 clamping cylinders on each side, which, as you can see here, are numbered with 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they can be turned off and on depending on the profile parameters.